Hi everyone, it's Allycat Castle, and on this channel, we talk about makeup and more makeup, yes! So today I'm very excited because we're doing our very first impressions of the Boxycharm, yes! So what I actually did was, I actually subscribed last month for a subscription of $25 in order for me to try the little surprises that Boxycharm sends us every month. So without further ado, let's begin! And here we go! Look at that! So exciting! So, it actually comes with this card. And in this card, it actually says the products that are in the box. So, the first product actually is the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser! This multitasking cleansing exfoliant is an ideal addition to your cleansing regimen 2 to 3 times a week. Chemical and physical exfoliation helps clear dull, dry skin and improves penetration of treatment ingredients that follow. It also optimizes skin's ability to attract and hold moisture! Yes! And the suggested retail price for this is $40. So that alone, there you go. You actually reap the $25 investment. So let's try it. Now let's put a little bit right here.
Girl, where's the product?
Oh my gosh. It's sealed! Let me take it off. So there you go. It's sealed, right?
Excuse
Now,
us
put
again.
some on.
The clock is ticking forever. So what now?
Now let's try it. It actually feels really good. It definitely has granules in it. That's actually, I think, like the exfoliating benefits of it as well. And it smells very good. And the second product in the box is the Volition Beauty! Yes! And this one is the Snow Mushroom Water Serum. An ultra-hydrating serum powered by the superfood snow mushroom to minimize the look of pores and leave skin visibly plumper and healthier looking. And look, the packaging is really nice. It actually comes in like this glass bottle. And then, let's open it.
Girl, do you know how to open a bottle? Your laugh says you don't.
And then let's try a little bit right here. I actually love using serums because serums actually help to improve the performance of your moisturizer.
Oh yeah?
Wow, that actually feels very hydrating. Now let me smell it. And it actually doesn't have a strong scent. So for someone I think who has sensitive skin, it looks just right. And the third product is from Milk Makeup! Yes! And this is the Kush Waterproof Mascara. A waterproof intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. And this one retails for $24. Now let's see what's inside. It's actually really sealed crazy. Oh, this is so hard to open. Yes, it comes like in this steel packaging, and I'm super excited to use this, but we're gonna do it later because there are other makeup products right in the box. And the fourth product is from INT Cosmetics, yes! And this is a lip oil. And this one says that this is the perfect product for those who want hydration and moisture, but only a flush of color. This lip oil can easily be applied on the go or on top of a lipstick for an added sheen, and it retails for $11. And as I'm looking here, this one is made in China, designed in the United States, so let's try it! Now let's try it.
Girl, how does it feel? Does it feel good? Let me tell you, I wanna know!
You know what? This one is actually really good. For my super dry lips, it actually reminds me of the Super Balm from Clinique. So, and it smells really good too. So actually, I'm really happy with this one. So now, time for the fifth product! Bodyography! These super smooth coconut oil infused pencils glide on without dragging on the delicate skin around the eye. These eye pencils are rigid enough to provide a crisp, clean line, yet can easily be smudged during application for a smoky eye effect. and it retails for $16. Now let's see how this goes. And you get 2 in it as well. I'm super excited. Look at that. Where's the cap of the other one? We got left in there. Oh wow. It actually comes in 2 different pencils. One is in black walnut, and let's actually try that.
Okay, try it!
Look at that. And the other color is in onyx. Wow, you get 2 pencils for like $16, right? That's like the suggested retail price, so it becomes like $8 each.
Girl, of course! 8 plus 8 is 16, duh!
That's really nice, especially that I really love eyeliners. The first one is almost kind of like a black-brown color, and then the second one is a deep black. And I forgot to say, when you actually do a subscription for Boxycharm, you actually get a bonus product, and the bonus product that I got to pick was the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette! Yes! And this one actually is made in China and distributed from San Diego, California! And let's open it. Let's see how it looks right now! Oh my gosh. There we go! So you know what? Let's play with some makeup. I'll just do something quick just so that we get to try this, the mascara, and the eyeliner. Okay, let's begin!
So first, just applying the Fresh Face eyeshadow all over the crease, yes! And then, applying the Yawning Purple eyeshadow all over the eyelids in a pressing motion, as well as below the crease, as well as on the bottom lash line, yes! And then, defining the sides of the eye with the Boo and the U blue eyeshadow, exactly, to put a little bit of drama!
So now let's go back to using the eyeliner of Bodyography, and this one is in onyx. So onyx is darker than the other color.
Duh! Of course onyx is darker than the other color! And you just apply this right on the top inner rim of the eye!
Look at that, it makes it look like I have more lashes! And now let's do our inner bottom rim of the eye with the Bodyography Black Walnut, which appears to be like a black-brown color or dark brown.
So, same idea, just do little dashes right on the bottom inner rim of the eyes. And now, applying our Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara with heart-shaped fibers. So extra heart-shaped fibers, yes! And I did 2 coats for my Asian eyes.
And now to complete the look, I'll just apply some false eyelashes, some blush, and add a lip liner on top of this lip oil. And now I just finished the look with applying the false eyelashes, the blush, and the lip liner. And I'll write those in the description box below. Now it's time for my overall honest review of my very first Boxycharm $25 subscription box. So first I'll start with the ones that I did not like. So the one that I did not like the most is the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette. I'm sorry, it's not a breakfast in bed! Oh my gosh! I'm not really happy with the quality. There was so much fallout. It's so sad because the packaging is so pretty. And then you put it on, there was a lot of fallout and there was not a lot of product payoff right on the lids or on our eyes. Yes, so unfortunately, I did not like this one. So, the second one is that I did not like is the Bodyography eyeliners, and I know that both of these retail for $16, but you know what, it just really did not work for me at all. Definitely you cannot use it on the waterline, it will just bleed. And then after that, I also tried to apply it right on the bottom lash line as well as the top lash line. It wasn't really doing the job. So I'm really disappointed with these 2 eyeliners, unfortunately. So again, this is like a... I did not really like this one. So, the mascara. The mascara, I would say, is decent. I would say I would put it right in the middle. Like, it's not so great. At the same time, it's not so bad. And for my skimpy Asian lashes, I actually had to apply 2 coats in order for me to see the result, but this was okay. So this one, I'm gonna say 50-50. Not so good and not so bad either. And the surprise, the most in the makeup category, the product that I'm most surprised about was the INT Cosmetics Lip Oil. Because the packaging is not pretty at all. I'm not sure if you agree with me, but it looks really like cheap. I mean, I don't want to use that word, but really once you see it, it doesn't look so pretty. But you put it on, it smells good and it feels good. So this is actually my favorite in the whole makeup category. And when it comes to the skincare line though, with the Murad Exfoliating Cleanser as well as the Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum, these are great. And actually that these two at least came in the box, it actually saved all the makeup that I did not like except for the lip oil, of course. So overall for $25 for the Boxycharm subscription box, oh my gosh, I'm creating a mess in here. Overall for the Boxycharm $25 subscription every month, I actually think that it's worth it. If you're someone who wants to be surprised and opening a box, definitely it's something worth to try, because hopefully out of the 5 products or 6 products, there's one that you would like. So that's my honest review about the Boxycharm $25 subscription box every month. If you like this, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe for more makeup videos as well. Again, this is Allycat Castle saying, let's all be kind and let's all be a blessing to others by telling them how beautiful they are. And if I may tell you, you are beautiful just the way you are, with or without makeup. I love you! Yes!